At the very beginning of my online class, I would like to introduce myself with the students because this is the class for the students of first year. I think everybody is freshers because no one knows me. I am Taposh Kumar Das, Assistant Professor English, Alhaj Forhad Memorial Degree College, Manjurnagar, Kajipur, Shirazganj. Okay, my dear students, but you are not in my class, but I think you are seriously reading in your house and you are just following my classes. And this is the time which is very much penetrating and sagacious because COVID-19 has been a curse for in our life because of this COVID-19 many people have already died, but I always pray to the Lord Master for the departed soul. My dear students, I always pray to the Lord Master for your safe and sound health. Okay, this online class has been organized by the authority of Alhaj Forhad Memorial Degree College. Honorable Principal Abul Kalam Azad, Professor Abul Kalam Azad, he has done several jobs to organize this online class. And his wife, Dr. Rifat Sharmin Suchona, who is the professor of Tesga University College, Dhaka, she has inspired us a lot to organize this online class and the governing body, members of this governing body. Okay, my heartfelt thanks to everybody. I am really indebted to everybody who has inspired to organize this class. Okay, my dear students, I would like to focus on my lecture. Today, I would like to focus on close test with clue. Dear students, please look at the blackboard and follow me. Please, I have already written down my topic on the blackboard. Read the following text and fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. There are more words than needed. Make any grammatical change if necessary. That means close test with clue. Please, dear students, dear learners, fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the box. Make any grammatical changes if necessary. Okay, dear, how can you fill up the blanks in this space, in this passage? Dear students, you will have to know the meanings of this clue. Then you will follow the rules of grammar. That means several sentences has written down here, but you will follow the tense, you will follow the voice tense. But what kind of game is it? It is a game of parts of speech. Parts of speech. We know that noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. But it has this have several classifications. Noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun, and concrete noun. Actually, pronoun has been divided into several classes. I am telling you some names of the pronoun. Proper noun, pronoun, classification of the pronoun. That means the personal pronoun, distributive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. And same way, adjective has been divided into several classes. That means adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, pronominal adjective. And you can, if you look through your nice glance towards the adverb has been classified into several classes. Adverbial of concession, adverbial of time, adverbial of manner, adverbial of frequency. In such way, this has been, and etc. But another way I would like to tell you that preposition, there are several kinds of prepositions. That means simple preposition, double preposition, disguised preposition, detached preposition, and appropriate preposition, double preposition, simple preposition. So you must follow the preposition. Interjection, that means this is the word which is used in English. That means alas, bravo, insensuous, etc. And you will follow the verb. That means the verb is the soul of a sentence. If you don't use a verb, a sentence will never be cleared or a meaningful, and this sentence will be a wrong sentence. My dear students, that means I think that strong verb and weak verb, finite verb and non-finite verb, factative verb, that means copulative verb, several kinds of verbs, all those things belong to the parts of speech. So I think English is a form which is modified by the parts of speech. Please, dear students, look at the blackboard. Please, you will have to know the meanings of this clause. Integral, what is the meaning? That means not detached. Teach, that means teaching. Benefits, that means profit. Baby, that means a small infant or baby. Rehabilitation, that means you have a newly or changing life until not overcome period. Birth, that means birth. Its Bengali meaning is jonmo. And into, that means you will enter into the room. That means from outside to the inside, entering form. Normal, that means very simple. Malnourished, not competent, not effective. Ho, it is a relative pronoun. It somewhere it is used as interrogative pronoun, and some of the places in the sentences it is used relative pronoun. Provided, that means helpful. Underweight, that means not enough weight. So you will have to, but if I tell you the Bengali meaning of this clause, you will have to understand the Bengali meaning of this clause. Integral, obisheddo, teach, pardon kora, benefits, লাভ, baby, শিশু, rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means হচ্ছে পুনর্বাসন, until, যে পর্যন্ত না, birth, জন্ম, into, বাইরে থেকে আমরা ভিতরে গমন করতে আমরা প্রিপজিশনে ইনটু হয়ে, ইটস এ ডাবল কম্পাউন্ড প্রিপজিশন, ইন প্লাস টু মিলে হয়ে গেছে ইনটু। এনাফ, নর্মাল, এনাফ মানে পর্যাপ্ত, নর্মাল মানে হচ্ছে সাধারণ। মাল নারিস্ট অথচ পুষ্টিহীনতা। হো, কে, প্রোভাইডেড প্রতিস্থাপন করা, আন্ডারওয়েট ওজনহীনতা। My dear students, please look at now. We will go through the passage and we will fill in the blanks here. My dear students, in order to, we know that in order to, so as to, after that we use the present form of the verb. There are three classes of forms of the verbs: present, past and past participle. Dear students, please, but after to, in order to so as to, we will use the present form of the verb, the first form. And with a view to look forward to, get used to, would you mind? In such cases, we will use after these forms mul verb and main verb plus ing. But in such case, we will use the present form of the verb. So, in order to dash help to young mothers and their dash babies, UNICEF runs a nutrition dash center for severely dash children. This is the end of the sentence by using a full stop. Okay, please look at the clause. Which clause will be appropriate for this blank A? Okay, dear, please, in order to, after to, we can use the verb present form. There is a indication, there is a direction if any grammatical changes, if necessary. Dear students, we will have to follow the grammatical form in this sentence. So there I have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 forms. But which form will be an appropriate form for this clue A, for this blank A? Okay, so I can use provide. P-R-O-V-I-D. Provide. But here it is written provided. So there is a wrong clue. There is a wrong clue. So we can change it grammatically. Grammatically it can be changed, but how can we change? Because there is a in order to, swears to, we must use the present form of verb. That is why I have used here provide. In order to provide help to young mothers and their dash babies and their what? And their underweight babies. I can use here underweight. I can use here underweight babies. Underweight babies. So there underweight, and there after there we can use this form. That is why I have used here babies. UNICEF runs nutrition. That means nutrition center. So this is the noun form. This is the noun form, and we can use the noun form. Nutrition rehabilitation. That means I can use this form rehabilitation. Rehabilitation center for severely deaf children. So I can use here an adjective. Past participle malnourished. So I can use here malnourished. It is used here as an adjective. Malnourished children. So I can translate it into Bengali. In order to provide অর্থাৎ হেল্প টু ইয়ং মাদার্স, অল্প বয়স্ক মায়েদের আমরা প্রতিস্থাপন করতে বা সহযোগিতা করতে, অ্যান্ড দেয়ার আন্ডারওয়েট বেবিস, এবং যে সমস্ত বাচ্চাদের ওজন কম, ইউনিসেফ রানস এ নিউট্রিশন রিহ্যাবিলিটেশন সেন্টার। ইউনিসেফ কী করেছেন? প্রতিষ্ঠা করেছেন পুনর্বাসন কেন্দ্র ফর সিভিয়ারলি মালনারিস্ট চিলড্রেন, যে সমস্ত শিশুরা ব্যাপক আকারে পুষ্টিহীনতায় ভুগছে। দিস চিলড্রেন ক্যান স্টে ইন দ্য সেন্টার উইথ দেয়ার মাদার্স। এই সমস্ত ছেলেমেয়েরা, এই সমস্ত চিলড্রেন শিশুরা ক্যান স্টে অবস্থান করতে পারে ইন দ্য সেন্টার, এই সেন্টারে উইথ দেয়ার মাদার্স, তাদের মায়েদের সঙ্গে। কোথায় অবস্থান করতে পারে? তাদের মায়েদের সঙ্গে। দে ক্যান স্টে দেয়ার ড্যাশ ক্লো, হুইচ ক্লো আই উইল ইউজ হেয়ার, ইউ উইল ইউজ হেয়ার, উই ক্যান ইউজ, because it will be a meaningful sentence. That clue will be the appropriate clue. They can stay there until. That means we can use until. Until means Bengali meaning je porjonto na. Stay there until they are well dash to go back home. Until they are what? Well enough. We can use enough. ENOUGS. Well enough to go back home. Well enough to go back home. Dear students, look at the blackboard please. Now next clue, G number. Mothers are dash nutritional values of everyday food. But we can use here mothers are, which clue we will use here? We can use here mothers are teas. So this is the present form of the verb. So we will have to change it as past form, because this is the passive sentence. This is the passive sentence. Mothers are taught. TAUGAST, tot. Mothers are taught nutritional values of everyday food. Educating the family about food and nutrition is an dash plan. Is an what type of plan? Is an integral. Obishodda. Its Bengali meaning is obishodda. Integral plan of UNICEF's program. Most of the mothers, অধিকাংশ মা এখানে we can use who come for help. Who come for help. This is the complex sentence. Most of the mothers who come for help. Who come for help. This is the subordinate clause. This is the subordinate clause. But the main clause is that most of the mothers are not educated. This is the main clause. So it is a complex sentence. Who is working here? Relative pronoun. As a relative pronoun, who is working here. UNICEF has worked out various ways for teaching them. UNICEF has worked out. কাজ করে যাচ্ছে। কে কাজ করে যাচ্ছে? UNICEF. বিভিন্নভাবে of teaching them, তাদেরকে শিক্ষা প্রদান করতে about the dash of nutritious food, about the benefits, about the benefits. FITS. About the benefits of nutritious food. Okay, my dear students, you have already, I think you have already understood the close test with clue, and you will be benefited. So my dear student, I would like to request you to subscribe this channel, and this is the channel of Alhaj Forhad Memorial Degree College. You can subscribe the YouTube channel. I request you to wash your hands every day when you will come back to your house from the outside, and you will use sanitizer, you will use the mask always, and don't take alcohol. Alcohol is strictly prohibited for the Bangladeshi nations. I hope you will be successful, you will be free from all kinds of anxiety and diseases, and I wish you sound health. Thank you so much, my dear students.